husband is busy working, I come in here dreaming about our future designs. But this is gonna be where a sitting area is gonna be. And this will be built-ins. I'm sorry, the bookshelves here and the sitting area. Has been busy at work with the first installment of the built-ins. He's building doors for this area that are gonna open up this way and there, and that'll have a shelf, one shelf in there. Then he's also building the desktop. It's gonna be wood and it'll be right on top of this. That will be a desk area up to this area. Things are coming along. It's time to start styling this. The doors are put in. We still need to sand this area and stain it. So I'm not gonna be dealing with anything below here, because that's not done. He still needs to put in the knobs, and then we need to put in this piece here so it looks against the wall. We're going to caulk all the way down here, caulk the top. Gonna do some touch-ups on the paint on this side, but he put the wood in there. That needs to be caulked right there. And then once we finish all of this, he's gonna cut these pieces, these shimmies, put them in, hide them, and then we're gonna put some trim here and here, and I think here and here. Kills of the caulk and paint have been done here. Tony finished the doors, he just needs to adjust them a little. We ordered some knobs that we're gonna put in that are black. He put in the trim here, put a trim here, and then I wanted this trim white because this side is white, so it goes all the way around. And as you can see, the trim is here. It's going in. So the trim is on, as you can see. All that's gonna be painted white. You just gotta do the sides here. And then he has to build the top for this. So it's gonna go up and down because there's storage right here. Somebody found a new spot. He likes to look out the window, so this is gonna be his little spot. Told you this would be his spot.